going on, guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as y'all can tell by the title, I am going to show you guys how to fix a messed up wash and go or an old wash and go. Right now I have a old wash and go, and honestly my hair doesn't look bad. It's just mainly in the front, and this is typically where I get a lot of frizz and like off to the side. So I'm going to show you guys what I do when I start having this issue, because I know a lot of people, you might not have time to like refresh your hair, and that has been my issue lately. I don't always have time to do my hair like every 2 to 3 days like how I want to. So this is what I do. So the first thing that I do is I use my scarf. I love scarves. Honestly, scarves are going to be like your best accessory when you're natural. I got this from Target. This was kind of expensive though. It's one of those things that you can like twist it and it does like different things. Like this is the main one that it does. I still don't really know how to use it. But a lot of times I'll just use it this way and I'll push it up in the back to give me a makeshift pineapple. So let me show y'all the first style. So I just take the back and push it up, and you can leave the front kind of like crossed over like that, and I just kind of tug a little bit. Just to get rid of like that part that you had, and that's it. So this is mainly the thing that I like to do, and this is also how I sleep sometimes. But yeah, I just love it because it's tight enough and it just holds everything in place. I don't have to use any barbie pins or anything, and if you want, you could just have everything just fall to the front. This is really good when your hair first starts getting old because it's not super stretched out. Or sometimes I'll just kind of like push it off to the side or whatever, but for the most part I like wearing it like this. It just kind of suits my face better. So yeah, so this is the first thing that I do, well, the first style that I use when my hair is old or I have a bad wash and go. The next thing that I do is the infamous puff. I just take, this is a t-shirt. You can use whatever works for you. Normally I use this black one, but I have this wrapped around. So yeah, I just do this and I'll tie it kind of tight, and then I push it up. And this works really well on super old wash and goes because your hair is like more stretched out. But yeah, y'all get the gist of it or whatever. So I like wearing my hair like this a lot, even when my hair is not old. As you can see, my hair still has a pretty good amount of definition, so it looks really good or whatever right now. But yeah, so this is the puff. So that's basically all that I do, and that's how quickly you can change a bad hair day into a good hair day. Don't let anybody tell you that going natural or being natural is not fun, because you can always try to figure out what to do with your hair. Like I said, it's all about just like the accessories, getting like really cute scarves, and there you go. Like, and you can also, like, if your hair is not long enough and you kind of want to do what I did with this scarf, you can put your hair in like a puff. And the best thing is when you do puffs, it's best to use stuff like this, because you're kind of like catfishing a little bit. It's like your hair may not be that long, but you don't make it super tight like how you would a ponytail. You kind of just like leave some out, like how I don't have it pushed in all the way. As y'all can see, it's like pretty far out still, and I just kind of fluff. And then you can put a scarf on and then just kind of pull your hair a little bit more to the front. And there you go. You have the first hairstyle. But I hope this helped you guys. Thank y'all for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.